Got the gloves. That's the main thing. There you go. You've got them out yourself. Right. There you go. Andrea? Would you like to marry me?
I'm really happy.
And how long have you been together?
12 years.
12 years?
Yeah.
It's about time.
It was about time, yes.
What made you do this now?
Right.
I think you'll have to try it. Conversation because
It's really great. Wonderful to watch. This is part of Circus career. You said it was big, but it's something new.
It's new to a point, but I mean, we've got the tradition that we have christening, blessing. It's the first kind of engagement proposal. And, you know, I thought it would be absolutely wonderful. I mean, shaking like a leaf, nervous as anything. I've never seen him for a nervous. Well, the last time I saw him, that nervous when they got to sign him up because he says, there you go.
Will the wedding be in the circus ring?
yes, hopefully, yes.
Are you going to get married in the circus ring?
Hopefully it's not this year.
Not this year? Oh, come on, why wait?
Well, I've got to buy a damn present then, haven't
They've
I?
been together 12 years, and they wait another year, it'll be 13. Unlucky. They've got to do it now.
I'm not waiting.
Got to be this year or next year.
Now, if you get married this year, in church, or in the ring, now, do it in the ring, all the band playing and the audience are there. Let's do it, let's go.
Tell you what, two clowns are going to get married in the circus ring. It's going to be the funniest wedding you've ever seen.